Hello everyone, this is Tulip Kumar Saha, Assistant Professor from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering under School of Engineering Technology at Adamas University. Today, I would like to discuss why students study MTech in VLSI design at Adamas University. In this video, I want to discuss three questions. Number one, what can a student exactly do with the knowledge of VLSI design? Number two, what kind of work a student may get after pursuing MTech in VLSI design? Number three, what are the career opportunities in VLSI design? This video will help a student to understand what kind of work is done in this industry. VLSI, very large scale integration, offers a very large scale career opportunity and fabricating the art of VLSI chips. VLSI design are mostly used whatever electronics item we have used. For example, digital non-contact IR thermometer, or simply known as thermal gun, which determines the temperature by measuring of heat emanating from the surface of a human body, which is useful nowadays for primary detection of novel coronavirus or COVID-19. In digital VLSI design, we can design fast and low power circuit, ASIC, application specific integrated circuits are created for specific purposes, for example, signal filtering, image compression, biomonitoring, GPS tracking, etc. With the help of ASIC, we able to design smartwatch. SoC, system on chip, are highly complex mixed signal in VLSI circuit. SoCs are used in smartwatch. We can build an advanced smartphone using SoC and ARM architecture. Reconfigurable computing is possible using field programmable gate array, that means FPGA. Students may get opportunity to work in different fields, designing analog and digital circuit inside the chip. This is a work for layout engineer testing the VLSI design. This is a work for testing engineer designing RFIC, wireless module, RF amplifier for an antenna. This is a work for RF engineer. Job profile. Job profiles in VLSI designs are ASIC front-end engineer, ASIC physical design engineer, ASIC back-end engineer, FPGA front-end design engineer, FPGA back-end verification engineer, EDA and CAD tool development engineer. MTech in VLSI design at Adamas University has a well-balanced curriculum which are designed by reputed industry persons and eminent academicians for IIT. And our MTech in VLSI design is catering to the needs of industry as well as research. Students are familiar with the various VLSI design software. In this program, also they learn to design, simulate, implement and test complex VLSI circuit. Major recruiters: Texas Instruments, Cisco, Mentor Graphics, Intel, Qualcomm, National Semiconductor, Alliance, Philips, Motorola, etc. are the major recruiters. Ample scope for pursuing interdisciplinary research through our Foreign Collaboration Institute is possible. Are you confused about your academic careers and looking for the best option and get smart career choice? Then this video is for you. Thanks for attention and watching this video.